is a coral? Is it a rock, an animal, a plant? The answer may surprise you, but corals are in fact animals. Each coral you see on the reef is actually made up of hundreds or even thousands of tiny animals called coral polyps. These polyps live together in colonies and build the coral structure over time. Each polyp is a small, soft-bodied animal with a mouth in the center surrounded by tentacles. At night, these tentacles reach out to grab tiny food particles drifting in the water, and the coral ingests them into its mouth. This is called heterotrophic feeding, and it provides the coral with around 5 to 10% of its food. Corals also have a secret partner, microscopic algae called zooxanthellae that live inside their tissues. These algae photosynthesize just like plants and share energy with the coral in exchange for a home. They provide the coral with 90 to 95% of their required energy. These algae are also what give the corals their stunning colors. But when corals become stressed, from warming oceans, pollution, or other changes, they eject their algae. Without them, the coral turns white, a process called bleaching. If the stress continues, the coral can starve. As the polyps grow, they secrete calcium carbonate to form a rigid skeleton beneath them. Layer by layer, these skeletons stack and expand, slowly building the reef over centuries. Reefs host an incredible diversity of corals, each with unique shapes, textures, and roles in the ecosystem. Some provide shelter for fish, others form the foundation for entire reef structures. From the tiniest polyp to the largest reef, corals create some of the most vibrant ecosystems on Earth. But they're fragile and need our protection. By caring for them, we safeguard the oceans and our own future.